Morning. Oh, forgot about that. Good morning, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Like I said, I don't have Snapchat or Twitter, so tough luck if you got those. But it is 7 o'clock in the morning, well, around 7:10, and we just had a nice rainfall yesterday. So today I'm gonna go frog fishing. It's about 75 degrees. We had 2 really hot days the day before. These bass are ready to hit some frogs. It's past their spawn now, so they're not spawning anymore. They're looking just to be aggressive and eat. So I'm gonna hit these shorelines with this frog and see if we can get some nice blow-ups on the top water and hopefully catch some hogs. So, but you all know the deal. If you've been watching my videos, first thing I do is go get my coffee. So, Dunkin' Donuts, here we come. Yeah, good morning. Can I have a medium hot coffee with caramel and cream? And 2 egg and cheese wake-up wraps.
Sure.
Thank you. Good morning.
440.
Thank you. Thank you. Alright, on our way to our spot. None of you have had Dunkin' Donuts wake-up wraps. They're cheap and effective. Alright. If you don't know what they are, it's just a tortilla with egg and cheese in it. Probably not real egg, probably not real cheese. For all you health nuts out there, probably just one big cancer sandwich, but it does the job for me. Gets me my eggs, gives me my cheese, a little sandwich, a little coffee. I'm ready to roll in the morning. So we're gonna catch some big fish today. All right, we're here. Let's hopefully go catch a fish, and then we'll work on some bigger fish. But I'm feeling good today. Feels like it's gonna be a good day. So. Nice one. Swallowed it. See? Okay, one down. Let's catch a couple more. Go. On the spook. First cast with the spook. Got a little bass. Not bad. Now that I'm all muddy, might as well try to catch another one. Why you throw away your garbage. I just got snagged on this. This is an old rusty spinnerbait that someone snagged on something. They do not know how to properly cut their line, and this is all in the water. I'm gonna throw this out and not back in the pond. Found a broken fishing pole. Pretty funny. Someone's been walking around in this mud barefoot. It's a dedicated fisherman right there. There we go. Nice one. There we go. Nice guy. Right on the popper. Alright, it started raining, so call it a day. Been out here for about an hour and 20 minutes maybe. Caught 4 fish, walked around the whole pond. The topwater bite wasn't as good as I thought it'd be, but they're still hitting it. Nothing big. That's fishing, so can't catch something big every time you go. Something in my eyeball. Well, alright, well, I'm muddy. My shirt's all muddy. I'm wet. I'm disgusting. I want to go shower. I gotta work tonight, so I want to relax for the rest of the day. I appreciate you guys checking out my video. Put a lot of time and effort into editing these videos. I only use one camera, so you know all the shots that you see are only using one camera. But if you like what I'm posting, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. That shows that you like it. Also hit the like button. Like show that you like it as well. So thank you again. I'll see you guys later. Peace.